Strawberries have long been a symbol of love, sweetness, and celebration. Today, we're sharing 7 irresistible strawberry desserts that are easy to make at home and perfect for Valentine's Day. Let's begin. First is a heart-shaped strawberry cheesecake, rich, creamy, and made to impress. For this recipe, you'll need 1½ cups of graham cracker crumbs, half a cup of unsalted butter melted, 3 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 large eggs, and 1 cup of fresh strawberry puree. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix the graham cracker crumbs with the melted butter, then press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a heart-shaped cake pan. In a large bowl, beat the cream cheese and sugar until smooth. Add the vanilla extract, eggs, and strawberry puree, mixing just until combined. Pour the filling over the crust and bake for 60 minutes. Allow the cheesecake to cool completely, then refrigerate for at least 4 hours before serving. Next is a light and classic strawberry shortcake delight. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of cold butter cut into cubes, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 2 cups of fresh strawberries sliced. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Cut in the cold butter until the mixture looks crumbly. Stir in the heavy cream just until a dough forms. Roll out the dough, cut into rounds, and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Once cooled, slice and layer with whipped cream and fresh strawberries. Now for something light and elegant, strawberry mousse cups. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of fresh strawberry puree, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whip the heavy cream and powdered sugar until soft peaks form. Gently fold in the strawberry puree and vanilla until smooth and airy. Spoon the mousse into serving cups and refrigerate for 1 hour until set. Serve chilled for a refreshing and romantic dessert. Next are strawberry tarts with vanilla cream, beautiful and bakery-worthy. You'll need 1 sheet of puff pastry, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 cups of fresh strawberries sliced. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll out the puff pastry and cut into circles. Place them into muffin tins and prick the bottoms with a fork. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden, then allow them to cool completely. Whip the heavy cream with sugar and vanilla until soft peaks form. Fill the cooled tart shells with vanilla cream and top with fresh strawberries. Next is a delicate and impressive strawberry pavlova. You'll need 4 large egg whites, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 2 cups of fresh strawberries sliced. Preheat the oven to 225 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Beat the egg whites until soft peaks form, then slowly add the sugar until stiff and glossy. Stir in the vinegar and vanilla. Shape the meringue into a circle and bake for 1 hour. Turn off the oven and allow the pavlova to cool completely inside. Before serving, top with whipped cream and fresh strawberries. Now let's make strawberry cupcakes with cream cheese frosting. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of unsalted butter softened, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a cup of milk, and 1 cup of fresh strawberries diced. For the frosting, you'll need 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a cup of butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a cupcake pan. Cream the butter and sugar together until fluffy. Add the eggs one at a time, then mix in the flour, baking powder, and milk. Gently fold in the diced strawberries. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes and let cool completely. Beat the frosting ingredients until smooth and creamy, then frost the cooled cupcakes. Finally, we finish with a rich strawberry chocolate lava cake. You'll need half a cup of butter, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 2 large eggs, half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and half a cup of fresh strawberry puree. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and grease your ramekins. Melt the butter and chocolate together until smooth. In another bowl, whisk the eggs and sugar until light, then fold in the chocolate mixture and flour. Pour the batter into ramekins, add a spoonful of strawberry puree in the center, and bake for 12 to 15 minutes. The edges should be set while the center stays soft and molten. Romantic strawberry desserts don't need to be complicated to be unforgettable. Each of these recipes brings sweetness, beauty, and a little magic to your table. Be sure to check out this video for more.